What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, I am bringing y'all hot clearance items from the Dollar General. I kept quiet until the clearance event. I didn't want to make all them videos about clearance that. I wanted to wait until the actual day to see what I can get my hands on and show you guys. So hopefully y'all can go out and do the same thing. I was looking for a particular item today at the clearance event. I went to 3 stores, could not find the Downy fabric softener. That's what I really wanted to get my hands on. But other than that, y'all, I am satisfied with my clearance haul, and I'm here to show y'all. So I'm about to give y'all visuals and UPCs. But before we jump into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications because I would hate for y'all to miss out. I mean, why miss out when I bring you all the deals? And all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, thank y'all for being loyal, returning subscribers. So, with that being said, let's get into this clearance haul. Okay, y'all, everything y'all see came from Dollar General. And we are going to start off with this Pond's cold cream. I absolutely love this stuff. It makes your skin so soft. It was $1.80. And I did see another one, but I just picked up one. I didn't feel like getting another one. Then on the Dove Restoring Soap. Oh, hold on. I'm getting above myself. Let me give y'all the UPC. I am getting way ahead of myself. Okay, y'all, the Dove Restoring 3-bar soap was $2.19. And y'all, these 3 bars of soap is usually like 5 something dollars. So to get this at $2.19, that is awesome. Okay, y'all, found the 2 whole bodies. They have a whopping $10 digital off on these, y'all. Save $10 when you purchase 2. So they were $4.50 each, totaling $9. And when I looked on my receipt, it's like they took off $6.92, making these just $2.08. I thought it was gonna take off like the whole amount, but with DG's new system, I couldn't even tell you how it works. All I know is it said Dove whole body $6.92 on my receipt, but they could have took off the whole amount. But what I seen was $6.92, making both of these $2.08. And let me give y'all the UPCs on these. And that's just the UPCs is so y'all can punch it in your app to see if they are on clearance at your store. And as far as the quantity goes, I wouldn't rely on Dollar General's quantity because sometimes it is wonky and a little messed up. But I got these St. Ives body washes, and I only seen 2. So I grabbed both of them, and they were $2.25. Never used St. Ives body wash before, but I know some people like this body wash. Comment down below and let me know if y'all ever use St. Ives body wash, and is it good or nah. Okay, y'all, I found one of the Gain Spring Daydream, and you're going to look for, like, the pink around it. That's how you will know it's it, because it got all the pink, and it says Spring Daydream. These were $2.03, y'all. $2.03. Cannot beat that at all. And I'm giving y'all UPCs along with visuals. And then I wasn't even paying attention, but this thing is half filled up. But it was $1.80, and we have a $2 attachment, making this absolutely free. and here is the UPC on that. So I'm not gonna sell this. I'm gonna just open it up because it's halfway empty anyway. But I mean, hey, it was free, so I guess I deserve a little bit of fragrance that probably will last like 3 days or so. Then I found a whole bunch of these bounce dryer sheets. They are $1.77. The 60 count, and you can tell it's them by the flowers on it, the refreshing breeze. But these are $1.77. And I did not jump on the ones that I found because all of them were open, and I wasn't about to buy them and then have to tape them up and then try to sell them. And people, I don't like selling people like messed up products, like the box being smashed in. I like this St. Ives body wash. It has like a big dent in it or something, like somebody squeezed it, the life out of it. But yeah, I don't like selling people items like that are messed up. But that is the first little items I had got. Now let me show y'all some more items. Okay, y'all, here are some other items I had got. We gonna start off with the 24-ounce Game Fireworks Blissful Breeze. They are $7.17, and I didn't notice any coupons popping up. Maybe the P&G coupon. Like if you spend so much, you save. Cause I know some of these transactions I did get the P&G offer back, and I used it towards another transaction. So $7.07. Then you got the Unstoppables 13.4 ounce scent fresh, and they look different, but they have the same UPCs, and they are both $4.93. And I'm gonna get y'all the UPC to this. Okay. Then you have the 7.8 ounce Lush Downy Unstoppables, $2.60. We do have $1.55 coupon attaching, and I didn't get to screenshot that one. So, but it's $1.55 that was attaching to this, making these $1.05, and I only had one of those coupons. I didn't even have a lot, and then I used it and forgot to screenshot it so I can show y'all what coupon I was talking about. But if you have the coupon, when you scan this one, I know it'll pop up. Okay, now we have the 6.9 ounce Downy Fusions. They were $2.60 as well. And here is the UPC on those. And y'all, these beads were at a good price because beads are expensive. So if I can get these at a decent price, I will snatch them all up. Okay, y'all, now we have the Arm & Hammer 42 packs, the Plus OxyClean. They are $4.27, and we don't have no coupon to those, but the original price on these is like $8 or $9. I forgot, but $4.27 cannot beat that. So there you have it. And I got some more items. So let's get into these next items. Okay, y'all, here is the last items I got at today's clearance event. And I just showed y'all this, but I had another one in the bag. that I didn't get out, and then I had one more of the Blissful Breeze, but we not gonna discuss those because we just did. But the Game Relax 12.2 ounces, and you can't miss it because it got a big purple flower and the words relax. It is $4.47. I didn't see any coupons attaching except that PNG. Here's the UPC code. Okay, and now we have some Downy Light, y'all. We have different ounces, but they are the same price. Like this one is 14.8, and then this one is 13.4. Both of them are $4.93, and they both have these ones have different UPCs. So I'm about to show y'all. Well, the 14-ounce one is right here, and it'll probably pop up once you put it in your app. And then here is the 13-ounce one. Okay. Then we have the Downy Calm 13.4 ounces. And I think they have some different looking ones as well. But the ones I ran across, they all look the same. UPC for that. Okay, then the last item is the Game Rinse and Refresh, and it's the 48 ounce, $4.85. And the PNG pops up on this as well, along with the save $5 on $30 a game. Well, for a game. And UPC. Yeah, they had a whole lot of them. But like I said, I'm missing the Downy fabric softener. That's what I really wanted. And maybe some more Gain fabric softener. But other than that, I got basically all that I wanted. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If so, like, comment, share, subscribe, comment, and turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deal I will be dropping next. And with that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.